So hi folks, so that's the car. We're somewhere just outside of Dhanbad here. I left Dhanbad about, 5-6 kilometers behind. And so here I am. We have finally completed the 5,700 kilometers mandatory requirement to qualify for the Golden Quadrilateral Challenge of all of the record books. So we're going down on all of the record books. However, we can't finish the drive here. We have to complete the entire circle in the map. So we have another 260 kilometers to go before we finish it. And then the map gets done, and that's when it's officially closed. So I want to take you back to the car and show you the final odometer reading. So here we are. So folks, that's the final odometer reading at 5,700 kilometers, which was, actually we did it at 10:23 a.m. on the 15th of December 2022, odo reading 073153. I'm going to show you the 5,700 as well. There we are. Trip A was set at the time of starting, and we have now officially completed 5,700 kilometers. Thank you. Stay with me as you have done with all your love and support. Another 260, and then it's finally done.